Yo, greetings everybody, respect everybody. This is Adi General, all the way from the sweet smiling coast of Africa, Gambia. We want to give a quick and fast message to Gambia platform. I don't know, Gambia Talent Promotion. We don't know say Gambia Talent Promotion or Gambia what promotion. But right now, as you can see my face, I'm fucking vexed. I am vexed right now. That platform, stop calling people backway boys, backway girls. What's wrong with you people? We deserve respect. If you don't know the reason why we put our life into risk towards this Mediterranean Sea, we know it. You should know better than this man, brother. Stop calling people backway boys, backway girls. What I'm telling you, we deserve respect, no matter how it will be. We are part of the human society. So respect yourself, Gambia Talent Promotion, and Babaja as well. Serin Chapachale, you people have to stop calling people backway boys, backway girls. If you cannot mention Adi General, stop using my name as backway DG, this nonsense and all them things. We respect you people for this man, you know. So I saw it stay. I be a fuckery man. We are sick and tired of hearing you this nonsense and all them bumbo clad things. Me I tell you, man, you know. Me I tell this, you know, without no regret, man, you know. So yen dengan wara stop li man. Yin den sona si li ni man. Te man san, you know, after all, luma de gena bone lo, me not even blame these dirty platforms. Denga de chapa, you know, like platform this and you abuse in name like backway boys, backway girls. But we the youths as ourselves, we normally call that platform said, yes, ndol backway boys ol kai, ndol tenid. Momo bela wosi fala na kin tobo Nigeria. Nde ka ko mingo nyime fam respect, nde I respect myself as a human being. Boy, what struggle has passed, we forget about that, you know. Let us build our life, man, you know. So these people are here, you know, fucking around with people. You people are, you know, boss deal. We the backway boys. We not bafla we the more bafla we the backway boys. Use your name as backway boys or whatsoever. But in the morning I can't include okudo. Onenson so me not go tolerate it because I know the reason why I put my life into risk towards this Mediterranean Sea to come to Europe. You know what I mean? But what's wrong with you people? Pa Usman la or whoever you call yourself. Because even you, so post is a post. You argue with many people. People used to complain. Stop using this name. Stop. This is nonsense. Ever since, boy. You know? So, but right now, boy, you people are crazy, man. Babaja, you know, you have enough followers, man. People are following you. Nakuna, man, you know, look. Even today, I make a video and I send it to my contacts. Kim Pata is my witness. Zavi Go-Getter is my... Enough people that, you know, I've just forward, you know, just like a phone. You know, let Gambia government stop, you know, the youths, let them smoke the weed. Just like in a form of, you know, joking. But I just see you post it in, you post it to your status WhatsApp. I just write you right away. I tell you that, look, I am not a backway boys. My name is Adi General. If you cannot do it, just don't post my thing. So I went to your platform. I know, say, yo, the youth will post this thing. Why will you, you know, mentioning that, you know, backway DG or whatsoever? It fucks me, man. I tell you, man, way back. So stop using this word. Babaja, Serin Chapa Achole, you better know yourself. You people have to know yourself. And you people have to stop this, man, you know. This is nonsense, man. This is ridiculous, man, you know. What to you people? Hana yen dengan ni de buga helali nakalan ko de way. Falka la kan hakilo bulani like the obstacles and the struggle that we face. Boy, that has jamano bobu dafa passé man. Ñun ñoo duga dengan am sen kate. Ñu am suñ kate. Ñu ngay fay tax. Yena ngay fay tax. Ñu ngay travel. You people are traveling. You know what I mean? Yena ngay bill sen kate. Ñu ngay bill. What to you? You know how many dañ ñëw through flight. Do len they want a front way wala skyway boys or whatsoever. You just mention their name and you write good things about them with respect. Why can't we have that respect? Palama dengan ma one backway DG, backway boys, backway girls. Boy, momo yalang ko ibo nonsense o tolerate. Lamambala ya tolerate. Because you people are just like an idiot. Me I say it. Because it's crazy. How can somebody just come from nowhere? He don't know the struggles and obstacles that you that you pass through. One day, you know, I left, you know, this is how you have been to. For what reason? But if you don't respect us, we respect ourselves, man, you know. We have good families that, you know, they lose their life in towards this media. We don't even want to remember all those things, man, you know. We want to be in different ways, you know, different lanes, different stages, and different levels. But you people have to stop this. Yo, Gambia Talent Promotion, yo, lifin bo amesa, nakalarsa, sa journalist bu neka Gambia, sister bo bununu. You can even see respect in her face. Normally she used to say, boys, boys, why can't you do that as the owner of the, the company or whatever you may call it? Why can't you do that, man, brother? This is stressful, man. You have been to school, we have been to school. You graduate and have your documents same way. You understand? But due to one or two conditions, we cannot even have, because if you can see, like, you are in a compound whereby, like, yo, yangi deka aksa yai, aksa dad, Yo, nga dem school, nga graduate, you do your things, you know what I mean, Like, at the end of the day, you cannot even do nothing for the family. Boy, brother, that is stressful, man, So you can put your life into risk in anyhow, just to chase your, your dreams to come true. But yen lan mo len jot boy. Yen lan mo len yen ñu gëna pain boy. Yen lu xew ni boy. Mu ngi cool man, dafa doy. Bala ngeen nekk fi di bind ay dugana fi ay génné na fi. C'est len sen problème man, yen bay ñu man ci biir man. It's fucked up man. As you can see, I'm fucking stressed. And I am sick and tired of this thing, man. This nonsense. It's too much, man, bro. What's wrong with you people? Only 2 platforms la day gis guy di def li. Serigne Chapachole, Baba Jah, ak Pa Ousmane, Gambia Talent Promotion. So you people have to stop this. The fact though is enough. We deserve respect, man. We are brother to somebody. Hanga. So what's wrong with you people? Alal fangol long boy. Know yourself, man. So keba ni keba yatang. If you want people to give you respect, you have to give respect first. But if you don't give respect, ibe kulubale adrong ak yebate rek ngena jeli. Bala ma de pa ko to yini di wane wa ñun bakuye boys ñun bakuye lip. Lolu mo de gëna dof lo sax. Suma dama bëgg wax li no mbir bi no. Long time I want to speak about this thing man, But the reason why I can't even do it, ñun nga xamne they are even I can say it's a form of a mocking. Guy ñun ñoo mock de ñun tamit we are accepting it. For what reason? Boy, nga bisal apply la nga na cool ke during those days ntol be yalla naka kenyaming. But it's hard to leave that country. If at all, it's possible. Nekuna yen sen family, ñoo gëna rich ñun sen family. Nekuna yena ñu gëna intelligent or whatsoever. Why yela lu mu wax lolu dafa am. Nga fu ma waxé ni. So why do len ñew, ñun ñu jël way bi ni, ana way bi légui la start. Me, I just see like, it's a form of a jealousy and all them things, man, And boy, yen da ngeen over jealous boy. Ana bëgg len ñu ñew fi boy. Ana li xew boy. Ñun ñu ngi def comme lo len nekkal, yena ngeen sampa kër, ñu ngi sampa. Xam nga? Yena nge janga ñu nge janga, yena nge jaay ñu nge jaay, nek astafray ma nge wa jaay sa. Yena nge job ñu nge job. Hanga fuma waxe ni. So it's crazy man, So you people have to respect yourself man, So greetings everybody. Unu know say you like it. Unu don't like it, go sit on Panman's fire, burn you. Me I say this, you have no regret. So I saw it say man, good night to each and every individual person right now. This is Adi General. Yeah man. No longer talking. I'm out.